This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the positive terminal of the battery. Remove the battery hold-down fastener and bracket. If equipped, remove the battery cover from the battery, then lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp fastener securely. Install the battery cover. Connect the positive cable onto the positive terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely, and then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable nut securely.